Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Horizon T202 Treadmill, a popular choice for home workouts in 2025. If you're tired of crowded gyms or unpredictable weather ruining your runs, this could be your perfect fit. Let's break it down with the pros and cons so you can make an informed decision. First off, the positives. The Horizon T202 is incredibly affordable, priced around $1,000, making it accessible for budget-conscious buyers. It boasts a sturdy build with a 2.75 chp motor that handles speeds up to 12 miles per hour and an incline up to 12%, great for varied workouts. The deck is spacious at 20 by 60 inches, providing plenty of room for comfortable strides, and it's equipped with Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music or apps. Plus, the warranty is solid, lifetime on the frame and 10 years on parts, which gives you peace of mind. Assembly is straightforward, taking about an hour, and it's compact enough to fold away for storage. Now, let's talk about the downsides. One common complaint is the noise level. It's louder than some premium models, which might be an issue if you live in a small apartment or have family nearby. The display screen is basic and not as intuitive as touchscreen rivals, so you might miss out on advanced features like integrated coaching programs. Also, at 300 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which could make moving it around tricky without help. Durability is good but not exceptional for heavy daily use, so if you're a marathon trainer, you might need something more robust. Overall, the Horizon T202 is a solid entry-level treadmill for beginners or occasional users looking for value. If you're just starting your fitness journey, this could be a winner. Check the description for links to buy or more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, stay active,